Today we're finally taking you on another Craig and Chantal adventure again. I know it's been a while, but we have come to the beach. You know, since Craig and I have come to New Zealand, we've always saying like the seasons don't gradually change. It's sometimes like somebody is just flipping a switch and then it's the next season, and it happened this week. We woke up on Thursday morning and it was actually cold. It felt like someone left the freezer door open. So we're gonna take advantage of the last of the summer sun. We are at Goat Island for the first time, and just the initial view from the car park is just so beautiful. We don't really have a plan for today, but we did pack a lot of like there's chickens here too. We did pack for a whole day out on the beach, so let's see what it's like.
Hey. What you saying? Okay.
Goat Island is about an hour's drive from the Auckland CBD. There's lots of parking, and we also saw bathrooms in the other section of the car park. But we're heading to the car now to get all our stuff and take it down to the beach.
Find a little spot. It is beautiful here. Stunning.
We just saw a glass bottom boat tour departing. I think they're about $40 from what I could tell from the website, and about an hour. Ooh, this beach is rocky. Ow.
Yeah, pretty good spot. You can hire kayaks, you can hire snorkels, so cool to come and explore, see a bit of fish.
We just took a walk around the rocks to explore a little bit. This place is beautiful, and I wish the sun was out because it would have been a bit better, because all we can see now is a reflection of the clouds, but it's still hot. Craig took the plunge. He's the first one in with the snorkel to see like where we can stand, because it's quite rocky. So he's checking it out.
Oh my word, there's a snapper right there.
Oh. He said there's a snapper right there. Who knew? Another beautiful place.
So good.
I'm filming on my phone in a pouch, so if the picture isn't too clear, it's because of the plastic pouch. But I'm in the water, I'm halfway in, and it is so clear. There's a massive rock, and it's so smooth, and it's so comfortable to actually stand on. And here's Mr. Snorkeling, standing snorkeling. So I have my life jacket on while Craig is pumping up the sub somewhere there behind me, and now I can go out and snorkel and feel a bit safer because the tide is coming in. So nice.
So nice. Just chilling.
Oh man,
Love it.
if I can just be in the water all day long, I'd be happy.
Massive snapper behind.
Oh, there's a bit of blue skies now, and instantly the water just got this beautiful like shade of green, blue. I don't know, it's so nice, and it's actually quite comfortable floating in my life jacket. Woo! So while I was snorkeling, Craig was bringing the sup around, and then I hopped on as well.
And it's spectacular. We're checking out all these caves in Goat Island. So we're like on the side of the island now, just paddling around. Really cool.
And as soon as the sun comes out, just look at the color of the water. It is so beautiful. We are just blown away with how after 2.5 years in New Zealand, we can still find amazing places. And we still have only scratched the surface of what New Zealand has to offer. That is so exciting to us.
It's incredible.
Oh, this place is just incredible. I was snorkeling all the way to the island. Well, Craig took out the sup. I filmed on my phone, so I hope that footage came out okay. But the tide is rising very quickly. So we came back so we can actually move our stuff, which is just here. So the sun came out and it's so nice. And this is the beginning of autumn, so not bad. And the water is actually not even cold. What do you think of our his and hers beach towels? What's for lunch?
Good old-fashioned lemonade and rolls with ham, cheese, cucumber, tomato.
Surprise, surprise. You know who I'm talking to. We moved up to a spot on the grass just because it's a bit more comfortable, because there's no more beach almost, except for that part. And Craig's making our rolls.
Yum, cheese, ham, even little chorizo sausages.
Oh wow, you're getting fancy today.
Fancy as, cuz, fancy as.
Out of nowhere, the wind just came up. Okay, so that was just a wind gust, and it's 5 minutes later, and now we're burning in the sun. Typical Auckland.
It's hot now.
Real fruit ice cream.
So good, and they look amazing.
We have packed up our stuff because we want to go and check out one more beach. So first we've got to walk up this hill to the car park.
With a heavy sup on my back. But we're going to go check out a beach that we've never been to. We just found on the map.
Another one.
Let's go find it.
Some of our snacks for the road to the next beach, even though it's probably just going to be 10 minutes. We have these licorice mixed bullets. They're really nice, covered in chocolates. And our favorite lollies, fruit salad. So good!
Gets me almost every time in the midst of summer, watching it in full bloom always makes me wonder when we were.
After about a 15 or 20 minute drive,
Yeah,
we're at
10
Pakiri
Ks.
beach, and also there was no signal, so our maps stopped working, so we just followed the signs.
Yeah, we found
Yeah,
it.
we found
A few gravel roads, but
Few gravel.
this beach looks really nice. White
Oh,
sand.
this is purely a note to self, but there's lodges or little huts right here on the beachfront. I think it's part of the campsite, maybe, to be noted for a future getaway. White sand, sunny skies, birdie. The sand is soft and squeaky and white. Okay, we'll walk through the river.
I think that's Little Barrier.
Yeah.
I might be mistaken, but I think that's Little Barrier. And then Great Barrier is the one in the distance we can see, which is quite close to Coromandel. So that's far. Okay, I'll have a swim.
Okay.
Look
Oh,
at
the color.
surfing, check surfing.
Beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. So nice.
A little icy.
No, it's not. I was just saying how nice it was.
You never tell with your feet only.
Okay, we're gonna put you away and go for a swim. And you get the dark clouds that side.
Yeah, and that's where the wind's coming from. So
That was an amazing swim, and Craig and I were just talking in the water, saying that we are probably the perfect people for New Zealand, because each beach we get to, we're like, this is the most beautiful beach, this is the most beautiful beach. Well,
no, but really, this
again,
was the
this is the
This time I mean it.
Oh my word, the sand is so soft and the water is so nice to swim in. It's like swelly and a little bit wavy, so it keeps you busy and exciting. And I hope the sound is okay because it's gotten windy.
Yeah.
It was a really good beach day, soaking up the last of the summer sun.
Yep.
Autumn sun now.
Yep.
And we probably will be heading home now, back to the city.
Yeah, I think we can have a bra this evening.
Thank you for watching our short video. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Wait, are we gonna have some real fruit ice cream somewhere?
Yes. We'll stop for an ice cream.
Today we're finally taking you on an... Wait, stop.
Gotta get the thing off. Make it hold it.
Oh no.